Most Oracle Forms to Apex projects do not fail in code. They fail in assumptions. And that's why budgets explode. Oracle Forms to Apex is not a conversion. Forms is a stateful, trigger driven runtime where a lot of business logic hides in UI events. Whereas Apex is web based and works very differently, especially around session, navigation, interaction flow. What typically happens is teams start with the same screens in browser, underestimate hidden logic, and only discover complexity mid-build. Then estimates collapse, performance issues show up, and users reject the UI because it feels like a broken imitation of forms. The fix is not more developers. The fix is visibility before commitment. Inventory the state, locate where logic lives, map dependencies, and produce a phased roadmap. That's what a governance first modernization assessment is designed to do. If you're in an Oracle heavy environment, especially with multiple vendors, my full 8 to 10-minute video goes deeper into hidden triggers, dependencies, and estimation traps. Watch the full video. It's linked in the description. Thank you for watching.